Hello, I'm the Chief of Destruction. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and click the bell if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. So I love old war stories where you hear about people's lives being saved by their watch or their flask or a deck of cards or a Bible. First gun I'm going to use is a 45 long Colt, 250 grain flat nose cowboy action slug. That didn't even stop an old 45 slug. 2 decks will stop a 45 long Colt slug. I know from previous video that 2 decks of cards will stop a 45 long Colt. I'm going to use my 40 caliber 40 M&P Pro Smith & Wesson 40 caliber bullet. The ideal was to see how many decks of cards I could shoot through. 40 caliber Smith & Wesson stops at 2 decks of cards. It hit the 3rd deck, bent it, but it did not come out of the 2nd deck. It wasn't working on my camera for some reason. The ideal is to take a shotgun, cut the shell down so that just the brass and a little bit of the plastic remain and the primer. And then we add black powder. I put about 1/8 of a barrel of black powder in this time. Then I cut the wad up and used it to hold the black powder in. Then I used a piece of fiberglass rod I found as a ramrod to pack it all down tight. Then I made sure the gun was good and secure and test fired it to see if it worked. This time I changed to half a barrel black powder, and I think I used a 50 caliber slug and sabot in it for a projectile. Here's just some other things I've done with this shotgun. I've put it through hell. I've shot a ton of stuff down the barrel. I'm surprised it's still operating. What I have here is fishing lures, M&Ms, Skittles, glitter. We're going to shoot it at that target right over there. Let's see what happens. Kitty food. Next, we're gonna shoot. This is that old root beer. You know, it tastes like root beer candy. How about some gumdrops? Chocolate covered raisins. How about a fishing lure? Tamales? Gummy bears. There's not many gummy bears in there. I'll put a few more down here. Remember, don't ever try this stuff at home. Play-Doh. Glitter. Play-Doh. I don't think it's Play-Doh. I think somebody that's helping me decided it would be a good idea to stick Play-Doh on top of everything. And, well, I can't tell what it is. So, your guess is as good as mine. I think that's a gummy worm. We'll find out how many it'll hold, I guess. Party beat. Some crayons. Full of Play-Doh. We'll give it something to go with it. We'll give it some Skittles. Look at that, I found some markers.